This is a 2021 Hyundai i20 Asta model, and today I will be explaining the instrument cluster and infotainment system of this car. So let's get going. On my right is the tachometer. As you can see, the RPM is slowly raising up, and on my left is the speedometer, which different speeds are indicated right here, and on the center is MID. This is a completely digital system with an MID in the center. You get this navigation system you can use during navigation, and you get tire pressure monitoring system. And this is the fuel economy. You get two types of odometer. The first one is here, and the second one is this. And these are the switches or the toggles that you can use to navigate different menus in the MID display that you can think of or you want to do. This is the steering wheel controls for the infotainment system. You get different modes, voice control, and all of these. These are the light system controls for the car. As you can see, this gets automatic headlamps, so you can change the lighting system. This is automatic headlamps, parking lights, and headlamps and off. This is the fog lamps and pass light indicator. These are normal in this car as all other cars. This gets rear wiper and front wiper, so you get one extra switch, and as you can see, everything is mentioned right here. So this is a 10.2-inch fully digital infotainment system. As you can see, this is the navigation system provided by Hyundai itself. You can enter to a street, locality, or city name, and it would just show you there. This is the keyboard that you get to navigate what you want. So let me just type this nearest city near my home. So just let me do that. Yeah, so I just typed it. It takes maybe 10 seconds and it immediately shows up, and you can see this is the nearest city near me, near my home. You can start guidance, add to save book, different features. And this is the media control right in the center. As you can see, now my phone is connected via Bluetooth, but this shows only the on playing song. It doesn't show any other song like unknown title. It just keeps showing no album art, and I don't know why it's showing that. I'll have to see, or maybe it is the way. And this is the clock. You can change the time, change the 24 hours format, different types. And this is all the settings or all the features that you get: maps, navigation, phone, blue link, radio, media, settings, manual, and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, USB, and all of that. So let's go in settings. So these are the settings option. You get sound. So let's go to sound and check. So this is equipped with Bose audio system. This car is an Asta model, so it's Bose audio system, and the tuning is kept a little behind because the behind speakers are not very powerful, so we have kept it behind. This is the center, so you can keep little behind, so it is balanced sound all over the car. And then you can do sound tuning like bass, mids, treble, different types. And these are driving guidance. You can keep the volume different types during the navigation of this car. And then let me go back to settings, and then is the voice recognition. 1 minute. So yeah, you get voice recognition. You can set that, device connections, vehicle settings. So let's go in vehicle settings and check. So these are the driving assistant parking safety feature. You can set the camera contrast, at what meter does the sensor need to beep, and all of that. This is the climate for the AC controls, and this is a very cool feature. This is a one touch indicator. As you can see, normally we put the indicator up and it indicates, and then we put it down, it gets off. Like now it's off, right? And that's what we use. But in this you can set the different flashes, like 7 flashes, 5 flashes, 3 flashes, and then you can put it off, either which you want. And then now let me keep it as 7 flashes, and then this is what we do conventionally. We put it up and then we put it down. But then on one tap it indicates or flashes 7 times and automatically goes off. This is useful while lane changing or in highways when you use. This is a very good feature that Hyundai has provided. Then these are doors. You get auto lock, automatic unlock. These are the cluster for the cluster setting. As you can see, current selection. You can see what you want in MID, what you want as this one, different things you can check. And this is for the average of this car. As you can see, it's 7.4, which is low obviously. And then you can set this after refueling or after ignition. So whichever you want, whichever is according to you, you can set it. And then these are the service intervals which you can set, which is not really necessary, but you can. And then let me go back to settings. This is the firmware, software, different types of settings that normally we don't use, but it is there. You can set the temperature and all of that. So these are button settings, the down or touch sensitive buttons. So you can keep this button. Now the star button is a favorite button, which I'll keep Bluetooth right now. And these are the mode selection. When you press the mode button, these are all the modes you can select which you want. And then we get display. Let's go to display and see. So these are the display links. You can change the illumination of the display. Like now it's completely bright. You can see the camera is taking a lot of light from the display, and now you can see the display is dimming down slowly, and going, the brightness going down. That's, you can control this on the infotainment system. While on the sports version it's in the MID, but here it's on the infotainment system. You can also filter blue light if you're cautious of that. This auto illumination, so if I off this, now day it's quite bright and it gives enough light, but night we don't require so much brightness, so it dims down light. So you can set whichever you want, or you can just leave it on auto illumination. It calibrates equally. So this also you can link to instrument cluster control. Now you can see it's completely bright and now, but if I change it, but it will not change now because it's day and it will keep it bright itself. But during the night it will dim down, it will go down, and it will not distract you when you're driving. It will just keep low lights, but it will be visible for you. So guys, this was the 10-inch display, and now let's go to the AC instrument cluster. This is a single zone automatic control AC. These are the aircraft inspired knobs or toggles, you can say. This is for fan speed, low and high. You can change the different speeds of the fan. This is for the temperature, high temperature, low temperature, as you want. This is AC automatic control. You get front defogger, rear defogger. Then you get this different controls for flow of air and different. You get the USB. You can connect USB stick right here. This is a 12-volt charging socket, and then you have a fast charger. This is a key fob of the car. So guys, if you have watched the video till here, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and queries. Subscribe to Cars United India for more information on cars, bikes and comparison. So guys, check out these two videos. This is a fully review of the i20. We have done exterior and interior videos. Do check them out and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.